Leonardo and Baykar sign a partnership for unmanned technologies. A Memorandum of Understanding was signed today between Baykar Technologies and Leonardo for the development of unmanned technologies. The agreement is based on the industrial synergies and complementarities of the two companies in the unmanned sector. The scope of the joint venture, based in Italy, includes the design, development, production, and maintenance of unmanned aerial systems. This partnership will leverage Baykar's industry-leading unmanned platforms, which have demonstrated operational effectiveness across various global markets, and Leonardo's expertise in mission systems, payload design, and related aerospace certification in Europe. The European market for the next 10 years, covering unmanned fighters, armed surveillance drones, and deep strike drones, is projected to reach $100 billion. Both companies, currently engaged in the development and production of UAVs, electronic systems, payloads, command, control, communications, computers, and intelligence, AI, integrated mission systems, space equipment, and services, will ensure interoperability within multi-domain ecosystems. Through this agreement, Leonardo and Baykar aim to jointly pursue opportunities in both the European and international markets, also capitalizing on additional synergies in the space sector. With Baykar, says Roberto Cingolani, CEO and General Manager of Leonardo, we are creating a new reference player in unmanned technologies, which will play an increasingly central role in the future of defense. Today, we are signing a new international alliance that marks a significant leap forward in unmanned systems, opening up new market opportunities, particularly in Europe. The defense industry is facing unprecedented challenges, such as unmanned systems, artificial intelligence, sixth-generation fighters, cybersecurity, and space. In this context, we are convinced that technological cooperation is both necessary and urgent to accelerate progress and ensure global security. Selçuk Bayraktar, chairman and CTO of Baykar, stated, "As the global leader in armed UAV development, production, and export in the world, Baykar has always focused on pushing the boundaries of innovation in unmanned aviation." Leonardo's globally renowned capability in C4I systems and its advanced AI technology backbone make this collaboration even more impactful. This strategic partnership with Leonardo marks a significant milestone in expanding our technological footprint and strengthening our global presence. Baykar will combine ethical AI-driven technologies with Leonardo's immense capability in AI technologies to develop next-generation solutions that will define the future of unmanned aerial systems. This synergy will bring ultimate AI-driven air supremacy for the future.